Hey, what's going on, folks? This is Kaz over at Flair Auto Group. Here we got a 2020 Dodge Charger in our inventory. Just wanted to do a quick startup for you guys. Now, this one's one owner with a clean title, 67,000 miles, and it does have a remote start. So we're going to use that to do a startup for you real quick. Gorgeous. Now this thing has backup camera and rear parking sensors, dual exhaust, and a nice spoiler to add to the sportiness. It's got a very aggressive stance, I would say. Gorgeous side profile as well. The wheels on here, let's check these out. 20s, multi-spoke, so like I said, a really nice side profile. The Charger model is well known, so it pretty much sells itself. This one's in really good condition, no mechanical issues, and with 67,000 miles, that is to be expected. Lots of space is pretty much the theme, so it's got a really big chassis, very comfortable seating for 5, and I mean very comfortable, definitely one of the most spacious sedans, I would say, on the domestic market. Cloth interior. You also get USBs and air vents for comfort, passengers in the rear. And here's a quick peek of the front of the car. All right, folks, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any particular questions about this car, do not hesitate to reach out. I'll be more than happy to assist you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll have to see you guys in person. Bye-bye.